Hello, it's me, Febri. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about my future life goals. Everybody has a set of objectives in life they want to achieve, and someone's life goals will be different from others. When I was a child, I wanted to be anything to help others, such as a doctor, a teacher, a police officer, or even Ultraman. The more I grow up, I realize an ambition or a goal is not only about what the job I want. And for now, I just don't want to be a burden for my family. And also, I want to be able to contribute to society in a meaningful way with my talents and my abilities. But I still have my dream job. I want to be a screenwriter. To be able to write and bring the imagination to scene, I guess it's going to be fine. I can make money while I'm doing something I really love. And also, I have the opportunity to work on projects that requires collaboration, which allow me to learn from their experience and knowledge. Thank you for watching.